guys. And I'm gonna say the hiccups. I know I haven't had a video in a while, but it's like 3 people's birthdays today we're celebrating, and I walk out here and find that half our tree has broken in half. So yeah, my mom doesn't even care because she's on the computer and oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, and doing stuff. I'm guessing that, like, the reason why is half the thing, like, where it's split and rotted. Looks like, because I found, like, 3 slugs in this rotted part. But yeah, you see this? This was not here yesterday. Oh my goodness, I'm not pulling off this voice with this hiccuping. Of course, I'm start the video, I start hiccuping. But yeah. Dad's not going to be too happy about this. It destroyed our little fig bush thing. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Big tree. Really big tree. Hold on, let me back up here. See that? Yep. Had the big tree. Yeah, it sucks. Had a little swing on it too that I never used. Oh well. It broke anyway. If I were to get on it again, it'd like fall and I'd crack something. Oh, Jesus. So yeah. Have her fig